Hey everybody, welcome back to the Roadhouse. I'm gonna do something pretty cool today. I've actually got two briskets. Both of them are like 14 pounds thereabout. I got the Lone Star Grill fired up and also got the Traeger fired up. So we're gonna do a little cook-off competition against the Lone Star Grill brisket and Traeger brisket. So I will be using three of my favorite rubs. Uncle Steve's Original Shake. Y'all go check out Uncle Steve. UncleSteveShake.com. I will be using SuckleBusters Campfire Steak Seasoning. SuckleBusters.com. Y'all check them out. And Kosmos Q Cow Cover. Good stuff. Y'all go check out KosmosQ.com. Get y'all some of that. I'll be right back. I'll show y'all what we're working with. This is the point. It looks like they butterflied it open for whatever reason. I don't know. And I just did a little quick trim on them and everything. So I'm going to get these seasoned up and we'll get them put on the grills and we'll be back. Let's get these dudes put on here and get to cooking, y'all. Pretty, huh? Be pretty good. Put it right there in the middle. Let that go. Let's get some smoke on this bad boy right here. Want 200 setting on smoke. Smoke it is that. All right, we're gonna lay this up on the top rack right here, just like that. All right, let the cooking begin. We'll come check back on them probably in a couple hours. The LSG's running about 300. It's been right at a couple of hours. Let's see how we look. Yeah, looking pretty good, y'all. 145, 148. Put that close back down. All right, now just turn the Traeger up. Like I say, both of these been smoking for probably a couple of hours, and I just bumped the Traeger up to 275. Just gonna have to catch up. Oh yeah. So 84, 89, 90 degrees. Okay. I'll pick this up to 325. Let it go a little while. Run back down to about 275. Alright, we'll give them a little while longer, y'all. We'll come check them. 3 hours in. LSG sitting on 300. What we got, y'all? Ooh, look at that. Dang, that smells good, y'all. It'll be about time to wrap, huh? 163. Yep. Boy, that's 58. That's close, yeah. Look at the juice. Golly. Yeah, 168. Alright, we're going to wrap this dude right here in just a second. And let's go over here and see. And I did bump up. Let's see. 325. I've got it on now. Alright. Ain't nowhere near, is it, y'all? That thing got a ways to go, man. Look at that. 95 degrees. 123. Alright. We'll go up 350. How about that? Using pecan pellets on this and pecan in the Lone Star Grill there. Look at that, boy. Okay. Alright, gang. So far, I like the Traeger. I think the biggest difference is when I started out, this one was in smoke mode to get some smoke into the meat. And my Lone Star Grill, of course, it's always in smoke mode. But the temp got up quicker, you know, on the meat. So, you know, we'll give Traeger that one as far as, you know, having the smoke that way. Anyway, we'll give it a little while longer. I'm fixing to wrap this one, and we're gonna let it ride, and we'll be back in a little while. The meat stick on the Traeger, on that brisket internal, is at 140, and my other on the Lone Star Grillz, man, we clicking right along, y'all. We at 203 and 202, point 203, flat 202. And I did wrap that one. I'm still waiting for this one to come up to temp so I can wrap it. So we'll keep monitoring the situation, but I'm putting both on at the same time. And I tell you what, that is a bad to the bone piece of machinery, smoker, cooker right there. Love that offset smoker, y'all, hands down. So I just had to give it a run against the Traeger. Now, don't get me wrong, I like my Traeger. You said it, forget it. But this right here, that's for you pit masters out there. I know y'all appreciate that. I know I do. So anyway, we'll check back on this one in a little bit. Lone Star Grill settled back down around 225 after I wrapped it. We are, I think, 4.5 hours in, and we're showing 211 on the flame broths on the point and the flat. So y'all know we gotta verify that. Ooh, boy, that's nice and tender. Look at that. 210, 212. Oh yeah, that's nice and tender. 212. Okay, y'all. We're gonna pull this thing off, and we're gonna see. Let it rest a little bit. Now the Traeger, let's do this. I did wrap it already. The internal hit 165 and it started raining. I didn't want to get my camera wet. Probe 1, that's our point. 152. Probe 2, that's our flat. 165. So I did move my probes a little bit. Real deep in there, but you know, a bunch of holes in it. Yeah, 160. I still got a ways to go, y'all. Oh man, yeah, I got that heat cranked up to 350 on this dude right here, and we still waiting. So look at that, boy, ain't that pretty? That's my favorite. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. All right, let me get this Lone Star Grillz brisket inside, let it start resting, and we'll check on this and after a while. Okay, we are like 5.5 hours in, and I got 3 different probes hooked into this on the Traeger grill. Point is at 178, the flat's at 207. It is what it is. And on the meat stick, the point is at 188. Flat, I don't have a probe in that one for the meat stick. And I did hit it with the thermal pin, and it's reading the same thing. So that's, you know, of course these right here are a little bit off. But it is what it is. So anyway, we're still waiting, y'all, patiently. Meanwhile, the brisket off the Lone Star Grillz is resting nicely. And hopefully we can do a comparison soon, so we'll be back. Here is the brisket off of the Lone Star Grill. Looks good, smells good. I did flip around the brisket on the Traeger, and the point is at 196. The flat is at 212. That's on the flame boss. And on the meat stick, I only have the probe in the point. That's at 203. So we getting real close, y'all. We can wait just a few more minutes, and you know, we'll put them side by side and we'll compare them. So we almost there, y'all. Hang in there. All right, alarm just went off. She feels tender, y'all. 212. About 205, something like that. All right, we're gonna get this dude off of here and we'll get it inside, so we'll be back. And that's I think 6.5 hours, something like that. So yeah, it did it though. That's usually what it takes, about 6.5 hours on the Traeger. But man, that one's got me spoiled. Look at that spotlight shining on it too, huh? Anyway, we'll be back in a few. Okay, we finally got the Traeger brisket pulled off and rested. About 6.5, pushing 7 hours right there. The Lone Star Grillz brisket has been resting for a while. Anyway, we did, Miss Carrie was hungry, so she took a little piece off the end. Anyway, I can tell right off the bark on the Lone Star Grillz brisket is a lot better than the one on the Traeger, but that's not bad, y'all. Not bad at all. Let's see if we can get these cut open, see what we got. Y'all hang loose, we'll be right back. We're gonna do the Traeger brisket first. It's a decent bark. Let's cut that dude. We'll just cut it in the middle. There you go, folks. Still hot, man. The juice. A little smoke ring there. Let's give us a piece of this point here. Alright. Nice little smoke on that. Now let's come over here and we'll go across our grain here. Cut us a little of that flat. Not too bad, nice little smoke ring. See how she pulls, y'all. That pulls nice. Y'all seen that? Look at that. Alright. Traeger brisket point. Decent smoke off the pellet, y'all. Not bad. Those rubs are good though. A combination. Uncle Steve shake. Kosmos Q and SuckleBusters. Oh yeah, man. That's good stuff. Here's the flat. Again, a little smoke ring. That's really good. Okay, now let me reset. I'm gonna put the LSD brisket on the cutting board and I'll be back in just a second. Lone Star Grillz brisket. Of course, it's a lot cooler than the Traeger, but look, she's still juicy, y'all. Let's cut her down the middle here. The butcher cut this in kind of strange, man. The point laid open like that. But anyway. Oh man, what? Look at that. Have mercy, y'all. Look, it's just oozing out, man. How you like that? Look there. Okay. Look at that. Nice smoke ring. Nice and juicy. Nothing wrong with that, y'all. Alright. Alright. Nice little smoke ring. That's some goodness here. Look at that. Nice, huh? Nice smoke ring. Nice thick piece. Alright. Y'all know the drill. Y'all come up here. We're going to try this one. we're gonna do the point piece first. Now I do see, as far as the smoke ring itself, man, it's pretty close to the same, to be honest with y'all. I'll show y'all. This is the LSG, and that's the Traeger. LSG is on y'all left, the Traeger's on y'all right. Not bad, man. Not bad. Anyway, let's get a bite of this. Alright. LSG brisket. Right off, you're definitely getting more smoke flavor from the offset, which I figured that would happen. Oh, that's nice, man. Oh, that's nice, y'all. Very good. You can't beat it. You can't beat you can't beat the offset. All right, and that's the flat end right there. Y'all seen how it is pulling apart like that? Hell yeah. Now, the Traeger is an excellent pit. You set it and forget it. You know, make sure your hopper got pellets in it. You leave it in smoke mode for a couple of hours, you know, if you want to get that smoker and get that smoke flavor. But that being said, a good old offset stick burner with the charcoal and I use pecan wood, both of them. The smoke flavor from the Lone Star Grillz offset is just it's amazing. It is really good, y'all. I mean, it's not overpowering, but it gives that meat a nice round, you know, smoke flavor from the pecan to enhance that beef. It's really good. Anyway, I'm gonna get some pictures of this. I gotta cut all this up, get me a little plate fixed up. But thank y'all for stopping by, and I've been dying to do this, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Traeger's good, no problems with the Traeger. Flavor, you can taste a little smoke on it. Lone Star Grillz, I'm telling you, man. Stick burner, charcoal. If you want the right flavor, like I said, that's old school pit masters, man. You manage your fire right and your temperatures, and you're gonna have a winner every time. But anyway, both of these are a win in my book. Lone Star Grillz actually edged out, you know, as far as cook time. It did it 2.5 hours quicker, you know. That's pretty cool. I'm impressed with that. And then the flavor is just, you know, the flavor's over the top on Lone Star Grillz. Anyway, thank y'all, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.